Welcome back to Smart Bites. Today we're diving into a powerful concept that speaks volumes with its simplicity. See everything, say nothing. It's a mindset that encourages observation, patience, and wisdom in the way we handle situations and relationships. Let's explore why staying silent and observant can be one of the most valuable tools you have. First, let's talk about the power of observation. When you see everything, you become more aware of your surroundings, the people around you, and even the unspoken dynamics in any situation. Observation allows you to understand situations deeply without jumping to conclusions or reacting impulsively. It's in these quiet moments that we often gain the most insight. Observing before acting helps you gather valuable information, gain perspective, and approach situations with more clarity. But why say nothing? There's wisdom in holding back, especially in situations where emotions run high or where conflict could arise. Speaking less gives you time to process, to weigh your words, and to respond thoughtfully instead of reacting. Choosing silence is not about avoiding speaking up. It's about using your words with intention and understanding the power of restraint. This way, when you do speak, your words carry weight. Adopting this mindset has many benefits. You gain a sense of calm because you're not constantly caught up in reacting. You also earn respect from others. People are more likely to listen when they know you speak with purpose. This approach also builds trust, as people feel heard and respected in your presence. With this approach, you're not only more in tune with others, but also with your own responses and emotions. Want to start practicing this mindset? Here are a few simple ways to get started. Observe before speaking. Whenever you're in a conversation, take a moment to listen and truly observe the other person's words, tone, and body language. Practice mindful pauses. Give yourself a moment of silence before responding. This helps you gain clarity. Speak with purpose. When you do choose to speak, keep it intentional and meaningful. By embracing see everything, say nothing, you cultivate a quiet confidence, one that comes from understanding situations fully before reacting. This simple mindset can help you navigate life with wisdom and patience. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe to Smart Bites for more practical tips on personal growth and self-improvement. Thanks for watching. Smart Bites. Quick learning for a better you.